at the red lights, twerking on them headlights. Hello, new clothing haul from Asoph. Yeah. If you guys haven't seen my last video, don't ask me about my weight loss. Period. That's how I feel, and yeah, that's how I feel about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into this haul because I'm so excited. All the pieces I got are so cute. I got this little top. It is a bandeau top, and then it has like these chains all over the place. You can hook them however you want. There's like 4 clips or 6 clips all over the place, so you can like clip. I clip this one around my neck. I clip these down here. Only thing is that there's not a lot of support underneath, so if you have hanging chichis like me, they're probably gonna hang out the bottom a little bit. They might come out real quick, so you have to pay attention to that. If you're like me and you don't like to have like a whole dramatic outfit, you just want a dramatic piece and everything else is kind of chill, get this, because imagine wearing this with some high-waisted leggings, black leggings, or any color leggings, honestly, but I would wear it with black since there's so many gold details going on, and then some just like minimal shoes or like some high-knee boots or something like that. Super fire, right? Ooh, it's gonna get worse. The next piece is this cute skirt. And hello, they don't make these cute skirts for plus size girls, so I'm excited about this. Boop, boop, boop. How cute is that? It comes in black as well. Only thing about this skirt is that it has gold buttons. The black skirt has gold buttons as well. So if you're not planning to accessorize with gold, it'll be kind of annoying because they're just random gold buttons there. You know what I mean? I don't really like my buttons to choose what accessories I'm gonna wear, you know? So I might go have the buttons switched because this skirt is definitely a staple. I can wear it with so many different things. Stop playing with a real V. It's pleated, it has elastic at the waist, it has 2 buttons on each side, and this is what they look like from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Let's try on the next skirt. Okay, you feel me? Now I like this skirt a lot better because as you can see there's no detailing on it. It's just a plain black skirt, and then it got shorts underneath. Stop playing. At the red lights, twerking on them headlights. I don't care, all summer long, you feel me? All summer long. The whole skirt is kind of stretchy on this one. This one isn't exactly like the last one because it's not pleated. It's more of a A-line skirt, or is it A-line or is it called a skater skirt? I don't know, but it's kind of like cute, period. Wear it with a bodysuit, dress it up, dress it down. Girl, bye. If you wear this with a bikini on vacation or something, you just take off the skirt or you're just in a whole bikini. Girl, so cute. Shakira. That's how I feel right now. I feel like Shakira. Shakira. Calmate. It's a 2-piece set. These two come together. Colorful leggings. You can wear it with a bunch of different things. Obviously, you don't have to wear it with this top, but it's cute with this top. You can wear this top with a lot of different things. I would most likely wear it with some jeans that stop right here. You know, some high-waisted johns. Your boobies ain't going nowhere unless you want them to. This is how I decided to style it so you guys can see a different way, but there's so many different ways you can style it. Okay? How y'all feel about this? This is what the back look like. She looks cute. And then turn around, BAM! Comment sexy. Here's the next piece. It's this mesh purpley blue cover up. If you have a bathing suit this color, it'll look beautiful underneath this. It's like a net material. It has holes everywhere, but like really big holes. The material is good though. It's not like the type that you think you're gonna put your body in and it's gonna rip or anything like that because of the holes. Like, it's really sturdy material. So this is something basic, something you could throw on if you're on vacation or something and you wanna look hot. Honestly, you could wear this to the club too if you just wear regular brown panties underneath, but I would definitely be the one rocking it with a bathing suit because I love me a good cover up. You will get a pretty random suntan if you wear this in the sun, so be careful of that. I'll make sure if I do wear this, I'm in the shade most of the time. And it's really long. It goes all the way down. Yeah. Here's the next 2-piece set. How cute is this? I really love the top. Obviously this is a maxi skirt, like bodycon, and then it has this like casual top. I like how they gave you a casual top with the bodycon skirt because not every time fancy. Sometimes you have to be chilling but still be fly. So I will definitely be wearing this top with some high-waisted jeans often because I just love the way that it fits me. I might even wear the skirt as like a tube dress because I really love tube dresses, but yeah, I love the top the most. That's why I got this set. This is what it looks like at the front and the back. So here's the next piece I still have on the skirt. I wouldn't wear it with the skirt. I just wear it with jeans. It's like a top and then it has like a little cinch right here. You can make this hole bigger or smaller. It's up to you. really cute, or you can just leave it how it is, or you can make it bigger. Asymmetrical, it's off the shoulders, you know, it really covers you up, so you can wear it with leggings, you can wear it with jeans. I would recommend wearing it with long things. It's pretty much a basic, but it ain't basic though. Here's the next dress, an off-white color. It has little polka dots all over it. It has this smocking, is that what this is called? This is what the back looks like. I'm right in that middle range where this needs to be either a little bit shorter or something. If you put like a little brooch right here, that's so cute, right? I'd probably even do it on both sides. And that's the thing about styling your outfits. You have to find things and you have to understand how to, you know, kind of finesse it so that you feel cute and sexy in it. Otherwise, what's the point, you know? I really like the top of the dress, but I just felt like the bottom needed a little bit of help. Since the designers didn't think to put ruching in it, I went ahead and ruched it myself. This is how I'm gonna wear it. Finesse the pieces that you like so they look the way you want them to look. Here's the next piece. It's this blush colored dress. Super cute. It has one shoulder, one sleeve. It has this little tie that goes around the waist. Just tie it like that on the side. This side is attached, but this side isn't, as you can see. I love it. It's nice and classy. You can wear it to a lot of different events. Did I show y'all the back? This is the back. I love this dress. It has all these cutouts. It's giving kind of like water. It's giving vacation for sure. I love this dress. It's fire. I love the cutouts. I love the length. It's just too much of a vibe for me. This is the back. So cute. Here's the last piece. Hot pink mock neck. It has the cutouts on the side, sleeveless. It's got the high slit in case you need a shave by the pool, you know, who knows? And the slit is on both sides, baby. This is definitely coming with me on my next vacation. I like this a lot, you guys. This is super cute. I love the shoulders. I love the shoulders. It kind of goes in. Yeah, that's too much for me. I love it. It's pretty basic, but it's not basic at all. You know, because my underwear is right here, I went ahead and pulled it a little tighter so that it covers the underwear perfectly. So yeah, this is a vibe. I could wear this anywhere at any time. Everything I tried on was in a size 1X and I'm 5'10". Open the description box if you guys think you want anything that you saw me try on. I'll have all the items linked down there for your convenience. If you want to take 25% off your order, use the code BD25 at checkout. Go out and do wonderful things in the world and make sure no drama comes from anybody but me, okay? I love you. Give me a kiss.